How to make the Google Keep font bigger. We're going to use the heading styles. Open Google Keep and tap the note you want to change, or hit the plus in the bottom right to start a new note. I'll open a new one. Type Project Update on the first line. Press Enter and type Budget Review on the second line. Press Enter once more and type Normal Body Text on the third line. I'm using those 3 lines to show both heading sizes and the ordinary text. At the bottom of the note, find the Formatting button. It's the letter A right next to the color palette icon. Tap the A. A formatting strip pops up. You'll see bold, italic, underline, H1 and H2. The H buttons show a small number next to them. Those 2 heading buttons are the only font size controls Google Keep gives you. There's no H3 and no slider that makes regular text bigger, so you're choosing one of 2 sizes. Tap directly on the Project Update line. You don't need to select the whole sentence. Keep applies the heading style to the entire block wherever the cursor sits. Now tap H1. The line immediately gets larger and bolder. The lines below it stay normal. That's what matters. It formats one line, not the whole note. Use H1 for short titles. If you apply it to a long paragraph, the whole paragraph goes huge, and a note with too many H1 headings becomes hard to read. Now tap the Budget Review line. Tap H2. This should look bigger than normal body text, but clearly smaller than H1. I use H2 for any section label under the main title. It gives enough size without making every line compete. Tap outside the note or press the back arrow to close the keyboard. The note now shows the 2 headings at their sizes next to the normal body text. The third line stays small. That's the limit. Keep doesn't have a font size slider for plain text. So the right way to get a larger font is to format the lines that matter as H1 or H2, not to try to enlarge everything. The same workflow applies to notes you already have. Back out to the Keep home screen and open any note with a few lines in it. The A and the color palette sit in the same bottom row. Tap the A, place the cursor on the first line, and tap H1. The style applies instantly. If this got your notes sorted, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.